lost the rear brake.
You can have mine. I'm not using it.
I was riding and I was having too much fun, brake sliding into those corners and stuff like that. And I was riding it the whole time. And
will it come back?
I think it will, but I would have thought it would have come back. I didn't use it at all that last little section it just did. And but I don't know. I got some. I hadn't had a chance to do it, but I got some super high temp. It's what the race car drivers use and stuff. High temp brake fluid, you know. And I hadn't put it in there yet, but no, I don't have a damn thing.
How do you make the pedal come up closer to the foot pedal?
I do it. That one?
Yeah.
I got that oversized. And that one I got one. I think that one I think that's got, yeah, that's the one. I actually, I made that one even closer than this one is.
Do you have to take the lever off and move the lever?
No, I got an aftermarket lever. That one has 4 positions, and I got it in the front positions right now. So I pulled it back closer to the foot peg.
Okay.
I want to get this thing so I can ride the front brake though. I mean, ride the rear brake before that brake sliding and stuff like that. Because this thing just begs you to do that stuff, you know. It's so light. It might be coming back now. I'm gonna just cruise along, okay?
Okay, I'm good with anything, Bob.
Right.
It's not to be